Hey guys, we're doing a quick tutorial video on how to enter in your mailing list with Klayvio, and this is how you'll capture emails from your potential customers. A couple different options of capturing emails. The most popular would be doing a pop-up at the beginning of your site, which is an advanced feature. Another option would be doing an exit pop, which is also an advanced feature. This is when people are scrolling off of your website and a pop-up pops up. And the most standard pop-up feature would be the newsletter feature at the bottom of your website. So this is what comes included in your website. So I'm going to show you how to get to that. So once you're in the back office of your website, here in your online store, you just want to select online store here, and then to the right, you're going to see where it says customize. So I'm going to click customize, and everything that you can customize is here to the left, and it controls everything to the right. So in this particular business, um, this company only has the footer mailing pop-up. Well, no pop-up, sorry, the footer mailing list. So it's no pop-up feature and it's no exit pop. So here at the bottom, I would select where it says footer, and I'll scroll down to the left. So you always want to, even though you just click it, you make sure this has a scroll bar also. Make sure you scroll down to see all the options inside of each one of these boxes. So if anytime you're changing anything, make sure you click and scroll down. I'm just going to click footer. I'm going to scroll down. As you see, I have options to do a lot of different things. I could change the color. I could change the text. I could change the second background color. I could change the font. I could change the payment icons that I want to show, the card color. I can even add social media icons right here at the bottom. So this is also how you add social media icons. So I'm going to just give you a little bonus info on how to do that. To do your social media icons, you would type in the URL of the social media and then / your URL handle. So for Instagram, if your Instagram name is John Doe, you would type in www.instagram.com / John Doe. So you always want to do a / and then click the link right under it, and then the social media icon pops up at the bottom. I'm not going to spend too much time on that and skip right past it. I probably should make a separate video. We'll see. But we're going to click mailing list, and here it walks you through how to do it here, how to sign up for your free Klayvio. If you click this link, it'll go to how to sign up for it. And there's even another tutorial video here if my first tutorial video doesn't explain it good enough. So watch this tutorial video. If you don't get it, then watch the tutorial video. It's showing you right here inside of the drop down of marketing message. So the first thing it has, it says Klayvio list ID, and it shows you an example. It also has another example here. So I'm going to actually get the Klayvio list ID. I actually have a client on the phone right now. We're doing this live with them on the phone. If your preference is MailChimp, you can go with MailChimp, but we recommend Klayvio. It's a lot more robust, and you can segment a lot better than you can on MailChimp. So I'm on Klayvio, and I'm going to pause you guys for a second just to get the password and information. So hold on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. So typically what it does is it recognizes that we are a new device login, and it sends a verification code to the phone number. So Lisa, can you give me that verification code? It should just text you a 6-digit number. It should have came to your phone number or your email, one of the two. Alright, and then you want to always select don't ask again for this device, so it'll recognize you as a home device. And voila, we are inside of your Klayvio mailing list back office. And what we want to do is get a list ID to enter in the bottom of your website. So on the left hand side of the dashboard, we're just going to select list and segments. And you want to make sure you're using a list and not a segment. You cannot connect your mailing list to a segment. A segment is just a flow on how you would email people. You want to select a list. So I'm going to select newsletter, and I'm going to go to right here at the top where it says settings. Click settings, and then right under settings it says this list ID is this. So I will grab this list ID here. I'll copy the list ID, and I'll come back to my website. I'll paste the list ID. All I did was copy it, Control C, and then pasted it with Control V. I select save. All right. And now it's saved. If you wanted to change the text, you can make the text say whatever you want to say here. You can also change the font. So if you don't like the text styling, you can change the font. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. If you want to change the word sign up, you can change the word sign up. You can do a lot. So also it has an advanced expert option, which is single opt-in. Single opt-in means that customers don't have to approve opting into your email list. Now, you have to get approved for this through Klayvio, so this isn't a feature that you automatically have. You would have to call Klayvio, give them your account information, and explain your business model, and they will let you know if you will qualify for single opt-in. Again, single opt-in means they're putting their email in once and they automatically subscribe. If it's not single opt-in, it's double opt-in, meaning that they will receive an email verifying that they indeed put their email into the email list. All right, so again, this is expert. You don't have to worry about this unless you're trying to be an expert. All right, so that's done, and I'm just going to test it, put my email in, select sign up. All right, it goes to this, sign up, boom, subscribe. And I just subscribed to this business email list. So I'm going to go back to their list. All right, let's see how fast this works, if it got me. All right, so it probably takes a little bit of time. Let me refresh it and see if it caught me yet. All right. Nope. All right, so eventually, probably takes about a good 5 to 10 minutes, and it'll update showing that I subscribe to this business newsletter. All right, so we'll go back to the website. I didn't get any errors. Email went through. Make sure and see what email they have on file. You also want to make sure you put your business email on file by go into settings and go into general. Yep. So they have the correct email. They have their business email on file and the company email on file. So yeah, so pretty much that's it. That's how you connect your newsletter. Um, Other than that, if you have any other questions, you can definitely reach back out. Again, this kind of shows you how to do social media icons and also how to do newsletters. Thank you.